Hi everyone, have you ever seen some locks with the power of function? Today let me introduce to you. Security can be said to be the most important feature of this lock. With top security pagoda system, special patented system, completely protected, machine and equipment safety in public places. And these security are closely related to the general public, whether it is garage doors, alarm computer, electronic instrument, vending machine. Also, it have over 10,000 combinations. That's awesome! This cannot be compared with ordinary commodities. If you like our products, remember to click the like button and save it to encourage us to provide our best service.